Have you ever wondered how to turn household chores into an enjoyable activity rather than a tiresome routine? Whether you're a senior yourself or helping a loved one, this video will introduce creative and engaging ways to transform cleaning into a fun and rewarding experience. Stick around until the end, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tips. 1. Turn cleaning into a social activity. Cleaning doesn't have to be a solitary task. Invite friends, family members, or neighbors over for a group cleaning session. Engaging in chores together makes the process enjoyable and strengthens social bonds. Whether it's folding laundry while chatting, washing dishes with a grandchild, or sweeping the patio with a neighbor, these small moments of togetherness can turn a dull task into an opportunity for connection. Setting a routine, such as a weekly cleaning gathering, can make cleaning an event to look forward to rather than a chore to dread. To make it even more enjoyable, consider organizing themed cleaning days, where everyone wears a certain color, plays a game, or shares stories while tidying up. This adds an extra layer of excitement to the process. Additionally, rotating tasks among participants can prevent boredom and ensure that no one gets stuck with the same chore every time. Sharing responsibilities also lightens the workload, making the overall experience less tiring and more enjoyable. Engaging seniors in cleaning activities with loved ones can enhance their mental well-being by fostering social interactions, reducing loneliness, and creating meaningful shared experiences. Many older adults enjoy reminiscing about past times while doing household chores together. This turns an ordinary cleaning session into a valuable bonding moment where stories and laughter flow effortlessly. 2. Use music as motivation. Music has an incredible ability to uplift moods and energize the body. Creating a playlist of favorite songs, whether they are old classics, upbeat tunes, or calming melodies, can make cleaning much more enjoyable. Dancing while dusting or singing along while vacuuming adds an element of entertainment. Consider using a portable speaker or headphones to enhance the experience. Studies show that listening to music can improve focus and reduce stress, making it the perfect companion for cleaning sessions. For an added twist, seniors can play musical games while cleaning, such as pausing to strike a pose whenever the music stops, or adjusting their cleaning pace based on the rhythm. This makes cleaning more interactive and fun. If a senior enjoys nostalgic tunes, playing music from their youth can evoke happy memories, making the cleaning process even more meaningful. Incorporating music into cleaning routines has multiple benefits beyond just enjoyment. It can boost motivation, help regulate movement, and even encourage light physical activity as seniors move along to the beat. It transforms cleaning from a monotonous task into an enjoyable and invigorating experience that feels less like a chore and more like a joyful dance session. 3. Break tasks into short sessions. Instead of tackling an entire house in one go, break cleaning tasks into manageable segments. Set a timer for 15 to 20 minutes and focus on one small area. This method prevents exhaustion and makes the process feel less overwhelming. Completing one section at a time provides a sense of accomplishment, keeping motivation levels high. For example, cleaning one drawer, wiping one countertop, or vacuuming one room per session can make progress feel steady and rewarding without strain. Breaking tasks into short sessions also allows for flexibility in scheduling. Seniors can work at their own pace and take breaks as needed. This prevents fatigue and ensures they don't feel pressured to rush through tasks. Additionally, setting a timer can create a sense of urgency and engagement, turning cleaning into a structured but manageable routine. Another way to approach this method is to assign specific tasks to different days. For example, dedicating Mondays to dusting, Tuesdays to vacuuming, and so on. This eliminates the feeling of being overwhelmed by an extensive to-do list and instead promotes a balanced and steady approach to maintaining a clean home. 4. Incorporate gentle exercise. Cleaning can be a great way to stay physically active without engaging in intense exercise routines. Incorporating gentle movements such as stretching while reaching for shelves, squatting while picking up objects, or stepping side to side while sweeping can add an element of fitness to daily tasks. These motions help improve flexibility, coordination, and circulation, making cleaning not only productive but also beneficial for overall health. For an added fitness component, seniors can integrate movements like calf raises while washing dishes, lunges while vacuuming, or light arm exercises while wiping down surfaces. Using lightweight cleaning tools and adjusting posture can prevent strain and ensure movements remain comfortable and effective. Turning cleaning into an opportunity for physical activity can be particularly beneficial for seniors looking to maintain mobility. Engaging in light, purposeful movements helps keep joints and muscles active, contributing to overall well-being. This approach transforms cleaning from a passive task into a fun and health-boosting activity. 5. Make cleaning a game. Adding an element of play can make cleaning more enjoyable. Set up small challenges, such as racing against a timer to finish dusting or seeing who can fold laundry the fastest. For those who enjoy competition, turning cleaning into a game can make the task feel less like a chore and more like an engaging activity. Keeping score or rewarding oneself with a small treat after completing a task can add an extra layer of motivation. Gamifying cleaning can also involve using apps or setting up friendly competitions with family members. Seniors can create a point system where completing certain tasks earns them rewards. This makes the process exciting and helps maintain consistency in household chores. Transforming routine cleaning into a fun activity brings joy and engagement to what might otherwise feel like an ordinary responsibility. 6. Use the right tools and products. Having the right cleaning tools and products can make a significant difference in efficiency and enjoyment. Using lightweight vacuum cleaners, ergonomic mops, or scented cleaning sprays can make tasks easier and more pleasant. Investing in tools that reduce strain and effort can make cleaning feel less overwhelming and more manageable. Finding the right equipment tailored to personal preferences helps turn cleaning into a more seamless experience. 7. Reward yourself after cleaning. Giving yourself a reward after completing a cleaning session can be a great motivator. It can be something small like enjoying a favorite snack, watching a beloved TV show, or relaxing with a book. Associating cleaning with a positive outcome helps reinforce the habit and makes it feel less like an obligation. Over time, looking forward to a reward can turn cleaning into an activity that brings satisfaction. Cleaning doesn't have to be a dreaded chore. By turning it into a social activity, incorporating music, breaking tasks into smaller sessions, and using the right tools, seniors can transform cleaning into a rewarding and even enjoyable experience. Whether through playful challenges, pleasant scents, or personalizing the routine, making small adjustments can lead to a big difference in motivation and satisfaction. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and let us know in the comments which tip you liked the most. Happy cleaning!